A very good morning to all the students of class 4th. Dear student, today we will study the 4th chapter of social science from the book Our Land, Our World. So let's begin with the 4th chapter, that is Indian Desert. Dear student, very first you should know what are the learning objectives of the chapter. So dear student, we will study about the Indian deserts in this chapter, and we will also study about the life in the Indian desert region. So let's begin with the chapter. Dear student, as I am sharing my screen with you, which will help you to understand the chapter. So let's start. Dear student, the Indian desert lies to the southwest of the northern plains. So this is very important question. Where Indian desert lies? So the answer is the Indian desert lies to the southwest of the northern plains. A dry and sandy are having almost no vegetation is called a desert. तो desert किसे कहते हैं? This is again very important question. A dry and sandy area, सूखा और sandy, मिट्टी वाला, बालू रेत वाला जो एरिया होता है जहां पर vegetation possible नहीं है, उसे क्या कहते हैं? Desert कहते हैं. So a dry and sandy area having almost no vegetation is called desert. The Indian desert is also called the Thar desert. So this is again very important question. The Indian desert is also called the Thar desert. It stretches from the Aravalli Hills to the border of Pakistan. कहाँ से कहाँ तक फैला हुआ है ये? अरावली हिल से कहां तक? पाकिस्तान के बॉर्डर तक फैला हुआ है. It extends from border of Haryana in the northeast to the run of Kutch. So the Indian desert is partly rocky and partly sandy. तो जो Indian desert है वो कैसा है? Rocky भी है और sandy भी है. At many places rocks and cliffs appear. They are small hills of loose sand called sand dunes. तो क्या है? जो मिट्टी के बनी हुई लाइक ट्रायंगल शेप के जो बने रहते हैं, मिट्टी के जो बने रहते हैं, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? सैंड ड्यून्स बोलते हैं. तो वो कैसे होते हैं? इन सैंड स्टोन्स blow here now and then. They carry the sand from one place to another. Thus, sand dunes keep on shifting. तो क्या? जब हवाएं चलती है, कैसी? हॉट हवाएं, डस्टी हवाएं चलती हैं, तो वो मिट्टी को, सैंड को अपने साथ उड़ा कर ले जाती हैं, और जो सैंड ड्यून्स होते हैं, मिट्टी के टीले होते हैं, वो भी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह शिफ्ट होते रहते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ wind. So this is very important. The sun heat the sand quickly. तो जो सूरज की गर्माई होती है वो सैंड को बहुत जल्दी, बालू को बहुत जल्दी क्या करती है? गर्म कर देती है. Dear student, as you can see in my picture, this is the pictorial part of sand dunes. जैसे मिट्टी के छोटे छोटे से पहाड़ बने हैं, टीले बने हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? सैंड ड्यून्स कहते हैं. सैंड ड्यून्स कहते हैं. The sun heats the sand quickly. It also cools down very quickly at night. दिन में जब बहुत तेज धूप होती है तो ये बहुत जल्दी गर्म भी हो जाते हैं, और रात में ये बहुत जल्दी ठंडी भी हो जाती हैं. Thus, the day in summer are very hot, but nights are cool. The hot dusty winds blow all over the day in the summer. तो जो बहुत ही hot गर्म हवाएं होती हैं वो क्या होती है, समर में बहुत तेज से चारों ओर चलती हैं. In winter the days are warm but nights are very cold. Winters में क्या होता है, दिन तो गर्म होते हैं लेकिन रातें ठंडी होती हैं. The soil is fertile in most places but nothing grows due to the lack of rain. बहुत जगह क्या होती है, जो जमीन होती है वो उपजाऊ होती है, लेकिन क्योंकि एक बहुत ही ड्राई प्लेस होता है इसलिए यहाँ पर बारिश नहीं होती, जिस वजह से यहाँ पर कोई भी चीज को आप नहीं उगा सकते हो. Some thorny plants like acacia and cactus grow here. So dear student, जो थ्रोनी प्लांट्स होते हैं जैसे अकेशिया हो गया, कैक्टस हो गया, जो क्या होता है अपनी स्टेम्स में वाटर को कलेक्ट रखते हैं, वो यहाँ पर पैदा होते हैं. वाटर इज फाउंड डीप इनसाइड द सॉइल. पानी कहाँ पाया जाता है, यहाँ पे मिट्टी के बहुत नीचे पाया जाता है. वेल्स आर रेयर. There are only a few small rivers. They remain dry except during occasional heavy rains. Luni is important river of this area. So, dear student, this is very important question. Which is the important river of this area or the desert? So, Luni is an important river of the desert. There is a lake called Sambar Lake which has salty water. तो जो यहाँ पर लेक है उसे क्या बोलते हैं, सांबर लेक बोलते हैं, जिसका पानी बहुत ही सॉल्टी होता है. Date palms and thorny bushes grow whenever there is a water. Such a green patch in a desert is called an oasis. तो जो पैचेस होते हैं, कैसे पैचेस, डेट palms and thorny bushes grow whenever there is a water. Such green patches is in a desert is called oasis. So a fertile tract on a desert is called oasis. वो छोटा सा पार्ट जहाँ पर आप की जो लैंड है वो उपजाऊ होती है उसे क्या बोलते हैं, ओएसिस बोलते हैं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट which you should know. So let's move ahead. This is the pictorial part of oasis. Now the Indira Gandhi canal brings water from the river Satluj to the desert. तो आजकल क्या है, इंदिरा गांधी कैनल के थ्रू वाटर सतलज रिवर के थ्रू डेजर्ट में दिया जाता है, सप्लाई किया जाता है. Thus crops having springs up all along the canal. This is how a dry desert is made green. इसी प्रकार क्या करते हैं हम, ड्राई डेजर्ट को जहाँ कोई भी चीज नहीं होती है उसको ग्रीन करते हैं. The spread of desert can be checked by planting tree. So let's discuss the second learning objective, which is life in desert region. So let's discuss it. The Indian desert occupies almost half of Rajasthan state. तो बच्चों, राजस्थान स्टेट ऐसा स्टेट है जहाँ पे इंडियन डेजर्ट का मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट यानी कि हाफ से ज्यादा पार्ट ऑक्यूपाई है. इट इज वेस्टर्न राजस्थान. ऑन ईस्ट आर अरावली हिल्स. अरावली हिल्स डिवाइड द राजस्थान इनटू two parts. So dear student, this is very important question. Which hill divide the Rajasthan into two parts? So the answer is Aravalli Hills divide the Rajasthan into two parts. Desert is a dry sandy land. As we have already discussed it, there is a very little rainfall There are no river, so there is a hardly any vegetation. There are few deep wells and places. So drinking water has to be brought from long distances. Very few people live here. The villages are very small here. Most people settle around oases where there is a spring water. There are some date palm trees. Farmers grow bajra, jowar, maize and gram here. These crops do not need much water to grow. That's why the farmer of desert grows these plants. Now some part of this area get water from the Bhakra Dam through Indira Gandhi Canal. तो भाखड़ा नांगल डैम से इंदिरा गांधी कैनल के थ्रू यहाँ पर वाटर की सप्लाई होती है. At some places deep tube wells have also been sunk. As a result, wheat, cotton and fruit are also grown here. So, as I am removing it, some people rear goats and and camels. They keep on moving from place to place in search of grass and fodder. They are called nomes. Some of them are good blacksmiths. They make and sell iron articles. They travel from village to village in decorated carts. They are called Gudliya Luhar. It is very difficult to build road on sand, so there are only a few roads here. Traveling on foot is very difficult on sand because sand क्या होता है, सीक्वेंस वे में नहीं होती है. जब आप उसमें पैर रखते हैं तो आपके पैर नीचे जाते हैं. तो traveling on foot is very difficult on sand. Camel is the common animal here. तो यहाँ एक कॉमन एनिमल है जो मोस्टली यहाँ पे यूज होता है, उसका नाम है कैमल. A camel walks in the sand very easy. It can drink and store water enough for 3 weeks in its stomach. तो कैमल ऐसा एनिमल है जो अपने स्टमक में 3 हफ्तों के लिए वाटर को सेव रख सकता है. तो इसलिए जो कैमल है वो क्या है, डेजर्ट का एक कॉमन एनिमल है. इट गोज ऑन विदाउट ईटिंग or drinking for a week. That is why the camel is called the ship of the desert. इसीलिए हम क्या कहते हैं, camel को ship of the desert, रेगिस्तान का जहाज बोलते हैं. This is very important question. Who is the ship of the desert? So the answer is camel is the ship of the desert. Camels pull heavy carts and plow. They help in drawing water from deep wells. They are also used for traveling and carrying goods from place to place. People move across the desert in groups with a large number of camels. तो वहाँ के लोग groups में camels ride करते हैं. Camel से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह अपने सामान को सप्लाई करते हैं. Such groups are called caravans. तो ऐसे ग्रुप को क्या बोलते हैं, caravans बोलते हैं. Which is very important that you should know what are the caravans. तो caravans क्या होते हैं, a group of people who moves across the desert in the group with a large number of camels is called caravans. People drink camels milk also. लोग क्या है, camel का दूध भी बहुत ज़्यादा पीते हैं. So this is all about the life in desert. Let's move ahead. Okay. Life in the east of Aravalli Hills. So let's discuss it. Life in the eastern Rajasthan is not so hard. Why it's not so hard? Because there is a fair amount of rainfall. क्योंकि वहाँ पर enough rainfall होता है, बारिश होती है. There are ponds, tanks and wells to irrigate the field. Many people work in mines of mica, copper, zinc, marble and sandstone. I'm so sorry. Now Rajasthan is rapidly growing into a industrial state. Cement, sugar, glass and textile are some of the major industries of Rajasthan. Rajasthan people are also good craftsmen. They are famous for their marble statue, stone articles and hand printed फैब्रिक एंड लाक्स बैंगल्स. तो राजस्थान क्यों फेमस है, किस चीज के लिए फेमस है? फॉर देयर मार्बल स्टैच्यूज, फॉर स्टोन आर्टिकल्स, फॉर हैंड प्रिंटेड फैब्रिक एंड फॉर लाख बैंगल्स. The people of Rajasthan speak Hindi and Rajasthani. So, dear student, this is again very important question. What is the local language of Rajasthan? So, the answer is Hindi and Rajasthani is the local language of Rajasthan. They wear brightly colored cloth. The men wear dhoti kurta and a long turban. The women wear a white and colorful skirt called lehenga, a blouse and chunri or odhni. They wear heavy silver jewelry, peels. Tribal people of Aravalli and nomads wear jewelry made of ivory also. तो वहाँ की जो फीमेल्स होती हैं वो क्या पहनती हैं? ब्लाउज, चुनरी एंड ओढ़नी पहनती हैं. और जो वहाँ के मेल्स होते हैं वो धोती कुर्ता और लंबी लंबी पगड़ियां पहनते हैं. The people of Rajasthan celebrate many fairs and festivals. They celebrate Dashera, Diwali, Holi and Eid. वहाँ के लोग, as you can see in my screen, Diwali, Holi, Eid and Dashera जो normally Indian festivals होते हैं वो celebrate करते हैं. Gangur and Teej are special festivals of women's there. People love singing and dance. Ghumar is the popular dance of Rajasthan, as you can see in the picture also. This is the pictorial part of Ghumar dance, and this is the very important question which you should know. What is the popular dance of Rajasthan? So the answer is Ghumar is the popular dance of Rajasthan. Katputli players of Rajasthan are famous all over the India. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Again, this is very important question. What is the capital of Rajasthan? So, the answer is Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It is also called the Pink City. So, which is called as the Pink City? Jaipur is called as the Pink City. Jodhpur, Bikaner, Udaipur, Ajmer and Kota are other big cities of Rajasthan. So, dear student, this is very important which you should know. The other cities of Rajasthan are Jodhpur, Bikaner, Udaipur, Ajmer and Kota. Forts and palaces are found all over the Rajasthan. They were built by old Rajputs king. तो बहुत सारे फोर्ट्स और बहुत अच्छे अच्छे पैलेसेस क्या हैं राजस्थान में हैं जो पुराने राजपूत राजाओं के द्वारा यहाँ पर बनाए गए हैं. So dear student, this is all about the chapter 4, which we have learned. So, dear student, We will discuss our next chapter, that is chapter 5 in our next class. So this is all about the Indian desert. Thank you.